Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off, enable or disable the bolded font style text on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and you want to select the settings button. Go down and select where it says display and touch, and then go down under appearance and select display size and text. And now it should say bold text. If you want to enable bold text, click inside this oval one time to turn that on. Otherwise, you can disable it by clicking inside the oval one more time and it would gray out here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.